You got the hiccups.
What gave me away? The hiccups?
How about I scare you? Guaranteed to get rid of them.
It's all right, Arthur. I'm fine, thanks.
Okay. Suit yourself. I just thought that. Whoa!
Okay, still have the hiccups, and now there's tuna on me.
Actually, it's chicken salad. Whoa!
Stop!
Whoa!
Stop it!
Whoa!
Stop!
I'm trying to help!
I don't need your help, all right? So knock it off!
Sorry, Douglas. I was really trying to repay you for all the kindness you've shown me. But I clearly overstepped my bounds. Believe me, won't happen again.
Arthur, look, I just wanted to...